Have you ever found yourself unsure of what to label the top left cell in your Excel data table? Should it be the column header or the row header? Well, the good news is you don't have to choose. You can actually include both by using a split cell. A split cell has a diagonal line running through it, allowing you to display both the row and column headers in one cell. Let's walk through how you can create one step by step. On my screen, I have a table showing annual sales data by region. Instead of picking between labeling the top left cell as region or year, we can add both by splitting the cell diagonally. First, click on the top left cell and type the row header. Then, press Alt plus Enter to move to a new line inside the same cell and type the column header. Mac users. Instead of Alt plus Enter, press Option plus Return to create a new line inside the cell. For example, you can type Region Year. Once you have the row header on the first line and the column header on the second line, it's time to position them. Since we are going to split the cell from top left to bottom right, we need to move the row header to the top right corner. You can do this by adding spaces before the row header text to push it to the right. It should now look something like this inside the cell. Region Year. This positions the row header in the top right and the column header in the bottom left. Now it's time to visually split the cell. Select the cell you want to split. Press Ctrl+1 or Command+1 on a Mac to open the Format Cells dialog box. Navigate to the Borders tab. Click on the diagonal border icon that runs from top left to bottom right. Click OK, and you'll see the diagonal line splitting the cell. And just like that, you've successfully created a split cell that displays both the row and column headers in one place. Removing the split. If you ever change your mind and want to remove the split, don't worry, it's easy. Select the split cell. Go to the Home tab. Click on the Borders drop-down. Choose No Border, and the diagonal line will disappear. Why choose just one when you can have both? Using split cells is a quick and easy way to solve the dilemma of choosing between a row or column header. Now, you don't have to compromise. You can have both. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to learn more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling!